In a serious breach of traffic restrictions, a large group of truck drivers on the night of 30th June 2025 allegedly defied a government-imposed ban and forced their way through the Mawmaram-Mawlyndep road, a route currently closed to heavy vehicular movement. The situation escalated when the drivers reportedly removed a police vehicle that had been stationed to block the access. According to reliable sources, the incident occurred at around 9 p.m. when dozens of trucks attempted to pass through the restricted route. Despite clear prohibitory orders issued by the authorities, the drivers proceeded, citing growing frustration over the state government's delay in providing an alternative passage for their vehicles. Eyewitnesses and videos from the scene revealed that the police had parked a patrol vehicle on the road to prevent movement. However, the truckers allegedly bypassed the blockade by physically shifting the vehicle, allowing them to continue along the prohibited stretch. Residents of the area have expressed concern over the violation, pointing out that the road closure had been enforced for several months due to safety and legal considerations. They have called on the authorities to take stronger measures to ensure compliance and prevent such incidents in the future. The situation was brought under control only after additional police personnel from Shillong were deployed in the area and succeeded in halting the movement of the trucks. It may be recalled that truck owners and drivers had earlier held discussions with the government seeking a viable alternative route, but no action has reportedly been taken to address their demands.
Lại chú chân có yên tay